Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Chromebook and best unblocked games for any school Chromebook. Now obviously before we get started, I just want to say, if you have certain sites blocked, you will need to know which certain sites are blocked, especially for games. For example, sometimes school may block certain games from you. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that some of the sites that you want to access are not blocked, right? So obviously I will show you a couple of games that you can play online and both offline on the computer. But basically these are some of the games, right? The first game is Baldur's Gate Enhanced Edition. Now you can also play this game online as well. But if you need to install it and if you can't install it, then go to the other games and make sure that you can go and play other games. Now Crunker.io is another game. It's a web-based first-person shooter. So if your school allows Crunker.io, you can go to Crunker.io and you can play it as well. Alto's Odyssey is another one, which is a side-scroller, sorry, I can't pronounce it, but it's a ton of fun, and basically here you can also play this on web as well. Obviously Roblox Experiences, you can also play this as well. It's an incredible platform. Again, a lot of people love Roblox. However, in some cases it might be blocked on the computer or on your Chromebook, so you might go and go with other games. For example, Fallout Shelter is another one which can be played online as well. If you have a maybe computer or if you have a Chromebook that is not unblocked, you can install it on Chromebook. Stardew Valley Stardew Valley is another one that you can play as well. Hearthstone, obviously, because you can play it online as well, which is great. And also you can use like Marvel Snap, that's another game that you can play, Terraria, and Among Us right here. So obviously you will need to see which games are blocked and which games are not blocked, and based on that you will be able to see which games you can play on your school Chromebook. So these are just some of the games. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, hopefully you find it useful, and if you did, leave a like down below, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.